Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a DIY hand sanitizer. This is another alternative if you can't find an aloe vera gel right here, so you can always use this excess styling gel sport hold. Yeah, you can find this at the Dollar Tree. This is 16 ounce gel. This is very lightweight, just like aloe vera. It's not too thick as well, so I have been using that. And I also made this hand sanitizer from this container, and I use my alcohol as well. So I wanted to show you that you could use this as a aloe vera and as a hand sanitizer as well. Just make sure that your 70% alcohol, they recommend, according to the CDC, they recommend 70 and above. But sometimes if you don't have it, what are you going to do? You can use 50 if you have to. In this case, I happens to have my 70, but this is my last one, so I'm running out. So maybe the next video I will do, it will be a 50. So I mean, it's better than nothing. You understand what I mean? So today we are gonna be making, a DIY hand sanitizer. So like I said, this is the aloe vera that I used for this one that I made, and used my 70 alcohol, and this is the other one that I made for my other hand sanitizer. So I just want to show you could use this. This is 16 ounce. This is a lot right here, so you could use like 2 or 3 times out of this. So let's get on the DIY. So I have a 70 alcohol. Like I said, this is my last one. Hopefully I'll try, or maybe my Dollar Tree, but right now I'm trying to avoid Walmart because the lines are so long. So as you can see, I have a little bit left here, so I'm gonna open this and pour some into. When you're doing this, by the way, you have to have less gel. I would say about like right here your gel should be, and the rest of it should be alcohol. So it can't be half and half at all. So you see where this black mark is, and the rest should be alcohol. So as you can see, it's about right here where the black thing is, maybe a little bit above this black thing, but I wanted it to be here, but it's okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the rest of it to be alcohol. Okay, so this is not half of the half, is like right here. So let me add my alcohol. Okay, so this is the alcohol. So now we are going to shake. As you can see, it's starting to form as a hand sanitizer. See that? So This is the consistency. And that is it, y'all. Okay guys, so this is the hand sanitizer. As you can see, it's no different from this one that I made. You know, once it's sit, it will get thickened, you know, like this one. But as you guys saw, it's very, very simple. It's the same as this one as well. So just use what you have at home, and as well as this one. Okay guys, so these are my DIY tips for you guys for today. I thank you guys for watching. This is better than nothing. At least you have the 70% alcohol, you know, to kill all the virus or germs. So yeah, and like I said guys, this gel is very, very light. You can look up the ingredients. I will try to take a picture and put the ingredients, you know, on the screen for you as well. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.